congrats on Super Chat, Fire Chicken. I do have a question. Why are you self-dubbing your solo streams? Kinda ruins the flow in my honest opinion. Okay, for the first stream, I just wanted to involve as many people as possible and also show the people that I can't speak Japanese. In the second stream, I already tried to tune it down a little bit. I just like to you know, have more people share the fun, I guess. And after that, I still heard a lot about this, so I tried to tune it down even more. So actually, in my last stream yesterday, and in the 2 streams before, I tried really hard. Actually, in my last stream, I barely spoke any Japanese, and the stream before, I also barely spoke any Japanese. I don't know how to I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll try to tune it down as much as possible, and then just do some Japanese only streams every once in a while. I just wanna sorry. I've been reading a lot about this, so I've been thinking so much about it, and I just wanna, you know, I just wanna be friends with everyone, and you know, there's so much that the other girls are so good at, and they all have something that they're really good at and best at, and the only thing that I can say that I'm best at is speaking Japanese fluently. So it's like, it's my only real strength. So I just wanted to make something out of that. I thought if I can do anything really good, then it's that. And I know it's sometimes confusing. I know. I'll figure something out. But thank you. Okay, I need to get my shit together. We have to get this done. I'm sorry, I'm sure you meant well. I'm sure, I'm sorry, I'm just really emotional.